say Bitcoin price history. Table of contact. Bitcoin price history analyzing between price history FAQ at what did price did Bitcoin start trending. Among asset classes, Bitcoin has had one of the more volatile trending histories. The cryptocurrency's very first big price increase occurred in 2010 when the value of a single Bitcoin jumped from just a fraction of a penny to $0.08. It has undergone several rallies and crashes since then. Some have compared the cryptocurrency and its price movements to the fight for banning babies during the 1990s, while others have drawn parallels between Bitcoin and the Dutch tulip mania of the 17th century. The price changes for Bitcoin alternately reflect investor enthusiasm and dissatisfaction with its promise. Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin inventor, designed for use as a medium for daily transaction and a way to circumvent the traditional banking infrastructure after the 2008 financial collapse. Though the cryptocurrency has yet to gain mainstream traction as a currency, it has begun to pick up steam through a different narrative as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. This is new narrative may prove to hold more merit. The price fluctuation of the past primarily stemmed from retail investors and traders betting on an ever-increasing price without much grounding on reason or hard facts. But Bitcoin price story has changed in recent times. Institutional investors are taking in after the maturing of cryptocurrencies market and regulatory agencies and crafting rules especially for them. Though Bitcoin price still remain, it is now a function of an array of factors within the mainstream economy as opposite to the influence of speculators looking for quick profit through momentum trades. Key takeaway: since it was first introduced to the world more than a decade ago, Bitcoin has had a choppy and volatile trading history. Bitcoin price has undergone multiple bubbles over its short history. The factors influencing its price have changed with Bitcoin's evolution as an asset class. The narrative surrounding Bitcoin has shifted from being a currency to a store of value as a hedge against inflation and uncertainty around the US dollar's future purchasing power. Bitcoin price history: for the most part, Bitcoin investors have had a bumpy ride over the past roughly 30 years. Apart from daily volatility in which double-digit increase and decrease in its price are not uncommon, they have had to contend with numerous problems plugging its ecosystem from multiple scams and fraudsters to an absence of regulation that further feeds into its volatility. In spite of all this, there are periods when the cryptocurrency's price changes have outpacked even their usually volatile swings, resulting in massive price bubbles. The first such instance occurred in 2011. Bitcoin price jumped from $1 in April of that year to a peak 32 in June and gain of 200 within 3 short months. That steep ascent was followed by a sharp realization in crypto markets and Bitcoin price bottomed out of $2 in November 2011. There was a marginal improvement the following year and the price had risen from 4.80 in May to 13.20 by August. 2013 proved to be a decisive year for Bitcoin's price. The digital currency began the year trading at 13.40 and underwent two price bubbles in the same year. The first of these occurred when the price shot up to 220 by the beginning of April 2013. That